In this problem, Rahim travels 600 kilometers partly by train, partly by car. So, in this problem, two cases are given. We have to see separately. In case 1, he travels 120 kilometers by train and rest by car. So, nothing but 480 kilometers by car. In this case, he needs 8 hours. In case 2, he travels 200 kilometers by train, rest by car, nothing but 400 kilometers by car. In this case, you need 20 minutes more, nothing but total time required in case 2, 8 hours 20 minutes. So, we don't know the speed of the train and speed of the car. Let speed of the train be x kilometer per hour and speed of the car be y kilometer per hour. In case 1, what happened? Rahim travels in this train 120 kilometers. So, what is the time you need to travel in this train? We know speed equals to distance by time, but we need time. So, time equals to distance by speed. TR1, the time required to travel in the train in case 1, that is distance 120 by speed of the train is x kilometer per hour. So, 120 by x. Remaining distance, that is 480 kilometers, it travelled in this car. So, what is the time required to travel in this car? That is distance by speed, nothing but time. So, TC1, the time required to travel in car in case 1. So, distance 480 by speed of the car is y. So, 480 by y. So, in this case it travels by train and by car. So, TR1 plus TC1 equals to 8 hours. So, we know TR1 120 by x plus TC1 480 by y equals to 8, nothing but 120 by x plus 480 by y equals to 8. Now, go to case 2. What he did in this case? He travels 200 kilometers in this train. So, what is the time required to travel in this train? That is TR2, the time required to travel in the train in case 2, that is 200 by x. So, remaining distance, that is 400 kilometers, it travels in this train. So, TC2, the time required to travel in the car in second case, that is 400 by y. So, we know in this case we need 20 minutes more. TR2 plus TC2 is equals to 8 hours 20 minutes. So, 200 by x plus 400 by y equals to 8 plus this 20 minutes we can convert into the hour, 20 by 60. So, 200 by x plus 400 by y equals to 8 plus 1 by 3 is equals to 200 by x plus 400 by y equals to 25 by 3. In two cases we got non-linear equation. So, now we have to convert them into linear. In case 1, 120 by x plus 480 by y equals to 8. 120 by x we can write as 120 into 1 by x plus 480 by x we can written as 480 into 1 by y equals to 8. Let 1 by x equals to a, 1 by y equals to b. So, 120a plus 480b equals to 8. Consider this is a linear equation 1. In second case, we have 200 into 1 by x plus 400 into 1 by y equals to 25 by 3. So, we can write 200 into a plus 400 into b equals to 25 by 3. If you solve these two linear equations by using elimination method, we will get b equals to 1 by 80, then a equals to 1 by 60. Therefore, x equals to 60, y equals to 80. So, the speed of the train is equals to 60 km per hour and speed of the car is 80 km per hour.